As a global call forwarding customer, you have access to our cloud communication solutions, including our integrations. Now, you can easily connect your global call forwarding phone system with your Zoho CRM. This integration lets you place calls directly within Zoho pages. You can also automatically log calls, sync contacts, record and transcribe calls, and more. So, how do you get started? To use our Zoho softphone integration, you'll need a Zoho CRM subscription, a global call forwarding outbound calling subscription, and a global call forwarding Zoho integration subscription. Our outbound calling plan comes with a softphone app that you can use to place calls from your Windows devices. Now, let's activate the Zoho softphone integration. First, log into your global call forwarding control panel with your email and password. In the Services menu on the left, click on the Integrations option. Find the Zoho CRM softphone and click on Activate. Choose the pins you would like to integrate with Zoho and click Continue. The pins are associated with your desired outbound lines. Before you leave, make a note of your outbound lines, pins, and passwords. You will need this to connect Zoho and global call forwarding. Search and install the global call forwarding softphone for Zoho CRM. Here you'll see a phone icon at the bottom right. When you click this, the GCF softphone will pop up. Log in with your global call forwarding credentials, the relevant pins and passwords. You can now make and receive calls from this softphone. You can also click on the green phone icons besides every lead or contact's phone number to instantly call the number using your softphone's extension. View call history in the Recents tab. Here you will also see icons for any recordings or transcriptions, if activated. Managers can even view more detailed call records and agent activity. In the Contacts tab, you can find, call, and manage your Zoho contacts through the GCF softphone app. Agents can create new contacts and save them directly to Zoho. Additionally, the call logging feature lets agents input detail notes based on customer interactions within the Zoho CRM. Check and listen to voicemails and read transcriptions in the voicemail inbox. Finally, manage caller ID settings in the Settings tab. That's all. The GCF Zoho integration makes it easy to quickly connect with your customers directly from your CRM. For more information on how to use the GCF softphone and Zoho integration, check our resources below or reach out to your account manager. We're here to help.